Hey guys, I'm Ricardo from RH Solutions HVAC. So today, we're working on the Trane gas furnace. Yesterday came and diagnosed that the pressure switch is bad. Got a new one today. I'll be showing you how to change it out. First thing you always do, anything you mess with electrical, you go ahead and cut off the power. This one is right there. This is an XE90 Trane. Easy. Pressure switch is right here. So in this case, I'll probably just leave this one here, and I'll probably just leave this one mounted here. First thing I'll do is take off the hose, put the hose on this one. Could also mount it anywhere in here really, but I'll just mount it here. You just disconnect the hose from the old one, put it here, and you got two connections. You have the common and you have the 24 volts, which, you know, you can just look at it and tell. I don't got my headlamp on me today. So before I turn it on, make sure everything's connected. Look at this thing. I don't even have to mount it if I don't want to. So I got a phone call, so video stopped and paused. So I'm recording another video with the pressure switch already connected and bolted up and the flame on. So anytime you get a call for no heat and you're getting your flash and igniter's not igniting and you're not getting 120, check the pressure switch first because it has to close. If it stays open, it's not going to get 120. And the gas valve is not going to open up.